All right, moving right along with rational numbers. Today we're going to talk about comparing and ordering them. It says you can use a number line to compare and order rational numbers. But first, we would like to put them all in the same form. We talked about how rational numbers could be positive or negative, decimals, fractions, or whole numbers. So if we put them all in fraction form or all in decimal form, it's easier to compare them. I think decimal form is the easiest because you don't need to find common denominators to compare decimals. So let's go ahead and first convert all of the numbers here into decimal form, and then we'll put them on the number line. So the first one is already a decimal. The next one, 10 goes into 17 one time with 7 left over. So it's going to be 1 and 7/10, which is the same as 1.7. The next one is like 1/2, which is 0.5. A lot of these you can do in your head. This one is like -7/10. I don't know why I said that and wrote -6/10, but -6/10 would be written like this. -1/4, you probably have memorized. 1/4 is 0.25, so -1/4 is -0.25. Now, if you weren't able to do any of those in your head, remember that you can always divide the denominator into the numerator to make a decimal. So let's put these on the number line. Here's 0 right here in the middle. So -1.7 would be -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right here is -1.7. And positive 1.7 is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right here, positive 1.7. 1/2, or 0.5, will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. -0.6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is here. And -0.25 will be in between -0.2 and -0.3. So right here in between will be -0.25. So you can see on the number line which is the smallest and which is the biggest. So maybe we just want to order them like this and say, let's see, it says least to greatest. So the least is this one, and then this one, this one, this one, this one. All right, in the next set, we're going to do the same thing. So let's use a different color. This one's already a decimal. This is -3/10. This is like 1 8/10. So it'll be 1.8. This will be like -15/100. So -15/100 looks like this. This is -2. So I'm going to put those on the number line. I'll just put the numbers on the bottom to keep them separate. So 1.4 is going to be here. -0.3 will be right here. 1.8 here. -1.5 will be in between -1 and -2. So right here, oh wait, -0.15 is here, and then -2 is way over here. So let's number those in a different color. The smallest one is this one, and then -0.3, and then -0.15, 1.4, and 1.8. All right, so the further your number is to the, let's get a new color, left on the number line, the smaller it is. You could also say the farther it is to the right, the bigger it is. All right, so look in these boxes. They want you to put a greater than or less than symbol, and all of the numbers in the boxes are from these numbers up here. So they're already on the number line for you to see. So -1.7 and -3/5. Remember, -3/5 is right here. So it was 0.6, this one is smaller. For this one, this would be like 1.8 and 1.4. A negative is always smaller than a positive. For this one, this would be like negative 3/10. Well, I don't know why I did that when I've been telling you guys to do them as decimals. This would be like negative 0.6. So negative 0.6 is farther to the left on the number line than negative 0.3, so that's smaller, even though our brain really likes to say 6 is bigger than 3. Once you throw a negative in front of both of them, it's the opposite because it's actually farther away from 0, the more negative it is. This is like 0.5. This one's like negative 0.8, and so going on the number line, it would be farther to the right than the negative 1.4. All right, guys, thanks for watching.